welcome back to my channel. This is Alex from Alex's Innovations. Today I'm going to be doing my second organizing my threads video. I did one about a year ago, but obviously according to this kind of mess, it has fallen apart a little bit. It's a no color order whatsoever. We have some browns mixed in with these greens. We have some blacks and yellows here. The reds are just non-existent. There's like one here. There's red, pink, and yellow over here. And then there's just scrap thread hanging over here. A bunch of DMC holder thingies that I don't know what's going on over there. And then all of these bobbins that are just waiting to be filled. So also, someone actually was so kind. They sent me all of this string. Wait. They sent me all of this string, and I'm just so happy and so thankful to them. They're wishing me a happy birthday. And so now I have all of this string, and there's even this metallic string under here. I don't know the brand, I'm sorry, because she actually wound all of these into bobbins for me. I'm so grateful. So I will be hopefully trying to get all of these bobbins out and into this thread box. I bought a second box from Michael's yesterday in preparation and anticipation. Actually, in my last organizing my thread video, I had a blue organizer box, but I actually used that to store jewelry supplies because I have a lot of those. So I will be using the second box for thread placement. I also have this box that I got, I think some jewelry supplies came in it. It says silicone earring backings. So I just got some jewelry supplies for my business, and so I have this cute little plastic thing. So I think I'm going to be putting some of my DMC labels here because I just never want to throw them out. I tell myself I'll make earrings with them one day. So maybe I'll put some of those in here. But I'm just gonna be, I guess, walking through. This isn't really a tutorial as much as kind of a vlog of some sorts. My first plan is to get everything out of here and then to sort everything by color. So I'm gonna put all the reds in one pile, all the oranges in another pile, and since these are already wound, I'm gonna do that. I do have a thread collection, but it's not as big as this, so I'm just gonna leave that for reserves, and then I'll see if there are any colors that are missing. Then I can sort of wind those and add them to here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Right now I'll dump all these out and I will sort them by color. Wow. There's so much. It seems like more when it's out of the bag. Oh my god. Guess the cat's out of the bag now. Haha. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Okay. I didn't plan this now because now I have no desk space. I guess I'll just empty what's in here because this is like nothing compared to this. So all these threads are like coming out here. So I'm just gonna take all these out. I'm gonna wind up the ones that are like that need to be wound, and I'll just, I guess, toss them in the pile. They're not really gonna do anything. Alright, I also found some bracelets in here. Apparently there were bracelets that I didn't know about, so that's cool. So I'll keep these for later. I actually sell these on my Etsy. They're called stackable kumihimo bracelets. I make them in like 25 colors, and you can choose from sets of 2. I really like them. Also, this still needs to be wound, so I'm going to wind this right now, and I'm going to add this. I think I prepped these for kumihimos, but I don't really know what's going on, so I'm just gonna add these to the scrap thread pile. Some of the scrap string in here, I'm just gonna add that to the scrap string pile. I have a bunch of sewing needles in here. I actually forgot I had them in there, and I also have this string cutter thing, so I'll leave that over there. I'll sort of take all these needles out carefully. So the needles are in the container right here, so I'll put that off to the side, I guess. I have all of these bobbins. I really hope these threads don't like fall off my desk, but I have all of these bobbins here, so I'll just sort of leave those for now. Maybe I'll put them down here just to consolidate everything. And then I can take the thread box away, and I will start sorting everything into color. done for now. I have this huge pile of like browns and olives and stuff, and I don't really use these colors as often, so I'm gonna put these back in the bag, and then I'm gonna be left with all of these bright colors. I have some neutral, like cool neutral tones, so like no browns or anything, and then some sparkly thread. So I'll put these in the bag, and then I will try and start from each color and sort of sort them by the order that I want them, because I want them to appear in like an aesthetically pleasing order. Okay, so the threads are done. I have a bunch of these other threads that I'm gonna put back into the bag because they just didn't fit, and I'm never gonna use all of this green at once. So once I'm done using the greens that are in here, I can just take them out and use them later. So this is the final product. I love how it turned out. Everything is super in line with the gradient. I tried to make it so the darker colors were sort of at the top and then it sort of went down. I really like how it turned out. Thank you so much to the person who sent me all of this thread. I'm actually so grateful. It was an amazing birthday present to receive in the mail. You have no idea. I can't wait to make so many wonderful color combinations and to make many more bracelets. I hope it can stay organized like this for a long time. But I don't know how long that's gonna last. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to give a shout out to my Patreons, but especially my top tier supporters, Jacqueline and Nancy and Roxanne. Thank you so much for your support. And if you want to see some more bracelet content, please follow me on Instagram at Alex Innovations or check out my Etsy shop. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.